I'm so happy to see you tonight. Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on this video because I wanted to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving Day tomorrow from me and Desi. And you know, I've seen a lot of these videos about, well, people are talking about what they're most grateful for, and it really got me thinking. I mean, I'm grateful for, I don't know, 200, 300 things. But if I had to get it down to like 5 things that are truly on my mind and I'm feeling especially grateful for, well, I made some notes here and I thought I'd go over some of them with you, and then maybe you could tell me what you're the most grateful for. One of the things I'm most grateful for is that I've lived this long and I feel differently. I live differently because it's like I drink in every moment of every day. You have an appreciation when you get older of your life, and it's beautiful. It's hard to describe unless you're here. Maybe I can't explain it to you, but the way you look at life, it's just so different. It's slowed down. It's more pure. You're more apt to listen to people. You're more apt to understand why you feel the way that you do. You're a kinder person. You have to be. And you have to be so kind to yourself. One of the things I'm most grateful for is every stupid mistake I ever made, because I learned from those mistakes. And that knowledge protects me. It protects me right now from making those same mistakes again. So no matter how painful those situations were, they guide me, they help me every day in my life to not make those same mistakes again. Life has consequences. Everything we say and everything we do has consequences. And I'm grateful that I know that. I'm grateful that I can take those lessons and put them in my pocket and carry them with me wherever I go. For 30 years, I have been making a dip called Oregon dip, and it's very simple to make. My family loves it. I make it for Thanksgiving and Christmas every single year. So we have some fresh onions. I have 4 pounds of cream cheese with some mushroom soup ready to go. I'm going to put in about 3 cups of Mexican blended cheese, and then I've chopped up my ham, but not too fine. I like it pretty thick. One of the things I'm so grateful for is my YouTube family here. And all of you, I've always steered away from calling us a family because, well, it just seemed corny and inappropriate, but it's true. I can't deny it. We are a family. We've been together for almost 9 years together, and we've been through hell and back together. We have gone through highs and lows and joy and sorrow and so many tears and so many laughs. We are a family, and there is so much love here. I don't care how corny it sounds, it's true. And I always hope every single week you know how much I love you. One of the things I'm so grateful for is the friends that I've had all my life, and so many of them I hear from every week, and it means so much to me. I'm so grateful for friends like Hal. I've been friends with my friend Hal since I was 23 years old, so I'm grateful. I'm grateful that they are so willing to share their life with me. the good, the bad, the ugly. My friends and I, we sort of have a deal where we tell each other the truth. My friends don't always get what they want from me, but I always like to think they get what they need from me. I tell them the truth, and sometimes that causes some problems, but in the end, it works out every single time. I think that's the meaning, right, of a good friend. Somebody that will truly tell you the truth in the spirit of love and caring. My little Desi, I am so grateful for this little dog that came into my life after my dog Cooper died. And I truly believe that my dog Cooper had something to do with me going to that shelter that day and seeing this little abused, injured dog, Desi. He'd been raised in a closet, removed from a home. He was so afraid he was hiding under a cot. He had a crooked tail and an underbite, and nobody was lined up to see this little dog. There were beautiful dogs there at the shelter that day. But when I saw Desi and how afraid he was and how broken he was, I thought, oh yeah, that's my dog. And the girl was so kind, and she said, you know, Desi's on sale today. He was on sale. When I first brought Desi home that first night, he slept in the closet. That was what he knew, that type of abuse. But I didn't make him sleep with me. I didn't put him in his own little bed. I just let him be. And slowly but surely, he edged his way where at night he would sleep on the foot of my bed. Okay, fast forward 5 years. Right now, when it's cold, Desi gets under the covers with me and he puts his head on a pillow and then goes to sleep. 5 years of love and attention and walking outside and seeing how beautiful the world is. You helped me raise Desi. And in these 5 years, look at him now. Happy birthday to you. I love you, little boy. You're the best doggy in the world. You're the best dog in the world. You like your cupcake? I think you do. I am so grateful for my family. I am so grateful for my grandchildren. I packed up my life and I moved to a new city so I could see them almost every day. And the joy that they bring me is immeasurable. And I'm going over to my son's house a couple hours early to help cook. And I got a little Minnie Mouse apron for myself, and I got a matching one for my granddaughter. I know it's so corny, I can't help myself. But my grandson, Wyatt, now he's going to help us too. So he got a little dinosaur apron with a dinosaur hat. I don't know if he's going to wear it or not, but he likes to cook. So I'm kind of excited about that. You know, doing corny things. I think it's just mandatory for grandmas, don't you think? We need to just maybe do things that they'll always remember, no matter how corny they are. I was sitting there with my littlest ones, and Wyatt said to me, Grandma, I hope you never die because that'll make me feel bad the rest of my life. I did think back that I used to think that about my grandfather too. I tried not to take it too personal, like, do I look like I only have a few days? Anyway, I was thinking that my littlest grandchildren have no baggage with me. They don't know what I was like at 20 or 30 or 50. They only know Grandma as who I am right now, what I say right now, what I do right now. There's no baggage. There's no history. It's just me and the future. And when I'm with them, that's how it feels. It feels like almost being reborn again. It's like I'm not carrying around anything on my back. I'm just in the now. It's today, and all I have ahead of me is the future, and it feels good because to me, the future is one day at a time. The beautiful morning, the soft afternoon, and the reflective evening. I love that. They ground me. My grandchildren ground me because they make me feel brand new. Everybody, thank you so much for spending a few minutes with Desi and I tonight on Thanksgiving Day Eve. And down below, if you get a chance, let me know you're okay. Okay? Please have yourself a wonderful holiday. And I would say don't eat too much, but hey, what the heck? It's Thanksgiving. Enjoy yourself. And I'll see you very soon. And please know we love you.